So today we'll be doing some bush hogging. Here will be the tractor, and behind it is the bush hog. The bush hog has got spinning blades that whip around underneath and mow anything that gets in its way. You can see that the blades are on a pivot, and each blade can swivel, so if they do hit something really hard, it stops turning and will spin back out again immediately. And this is a very old bush hog. As you can see, it needs a lot of attention, but it does work and it has been very useful to us. This is also on loan to us. So before we use the bush hog, the first thing we're going to do is make sure all the joints are greased. Start here with the rear wheel. We just wait for the grease to start escaping here at the bottom.
This bush hog has 4 grease zerks. The rear one, which we've just seen, the rear wheel, then both sides of the universal joint. I've pointed them out with these 4 blue arrows. Bush hogs also have a gearbox, and before we start we need to check the level of the gear oil. We do that by removing the plug shown with the blue arrow and then checking that the oil is level with the bottom of the hole. With the pre-use maintenance done, we're now ready to go bush hogging. I guess every person bush hogs in a different way. I personally start by going around the fence line and making at least 2 to 4 rows around the fence. That gives me place to turn the tractor around while I'm mowing through the field. I tried to use to cut between the trees did not work out, and as you can see, a lot of time was wasted going backwards and forward, so I decided to revert back to the long lengthwise cuts between the trees. With the bush hogging done for the day, the only thing that was left to do was to clean the bush hog.
So now that we're done with the bush hog, we need to clean all of this grass off, and we're going to leave it here in the field for the chickens and the turkeys. Well, that's enough of there for now. We'll grab the pressure washer and just clean up the rest. The last thing we're going to do now is pressure wash so that it's clean for next time. There you go, clean enough.
That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like and subscribe for more videos.